Hello, my friend, welcome. Have you wanted to post on social media and you're so scared you didn't know what to do? You wish you could do it too, especially if you are worried about showing your face and your name. The way I was before I came on YouTube, I was like that. I could not show my face, I could not show my name. I used my company logo, but I started on Instagram. So are you like that? But in this day and age, what's going on, it's going to be hard to think about making money online when you don't know how to record a video. I'm assuming if you had support, you could do it. So, I'm Sherifa Nakalema in Virginia, USA, and I want to invite you for free to come learn how to post a video. You could even do faceless, although I encourage you to show your face. At the beginning, you may do faceless, but later I want to encourage you to show your face because your message matters. So the reason I'm recording this video, and doesn't look like my regular videos, is to invite you to come learn. Let's start with TikTok. Maybe you end up here on YouTube, but let's start with TikTok. You come, I'll show you for free how to do this, but I'll give you only one session. So if you're a fast learner, you learn in one session. But if you're not, I have an offer where, because when I do this, it's going to be in a group. But if you want one-on-one, I also have a way of doing that for you. You pay a small fee. And if you're watching me and you're not thinking about doing this, but you want, someone who wants to do it, it's international, you can also make some money just recommending others to come so that I teach them how to post on social media. But we're going to start with TikTok. If you want, we could get on YouTube too. The reason why I'm so passionate about this is because social media allows us to make money without spending money. Because you use just social media to connect with people. That's how most people are doing it. That's why I say, if my passion is to show you how to work from anywhere, anytime, making passive money. So, I'm just ranting actually. I didn't plan this, but I said, let me record a video and put it up on YouTube because I want you to come. I just set up the Zoom ready to go. So what you have to do is check the pinned comment. It has a link to my free community, also in my description. Come. I even made the free community like not needing you to be approved. Just have to answer 3 questions. That's it. It's automated. You'll be approved. Then send me a message. Make sure you get the app and we're good to go. Get my Zoom. I want to show you how to post on TikTok. And if you want, you could learn YouTube too. That will be later though. Okay? So that's it. Like I always end these, I say take very good care of yourself. Take very good care of your family. Take very good care of your health. I'm Sherifa Nakalema in Virginia, USA. Remember I said this was an impromptu video. I just said what I wanted to say. Come, learn how to post on TikTok first. I'll show you how for free. Just a free Zoom session. So get to my it's free for now, free community, and make sure I get on my Zoom. If you're a little bit confused, add a comment over here. Also, when you get in on school, add a comment, send me a message. Okay, but it's all gonna be very clear. You're smart, right? You're smart, especially these days. Woo, people are smart. Yeah, go do it. Let's learn how to work from anywhere, anytime, but how to start by posting. So if you post on TikTok, then you could get it on Instagram, YouTube, every other place. You have to build that confidence first, okay? And I'm here to support you. Check the pinned comment, check the link in the profile, go to my free community. I'll see you there and then on Zoom. And soon, we're going to see you online too. Okay, do it. Take a step to a better you. Bye-bye.